Pumpkin, Pumpkin by Jeanne Titherington. Jamie planted a pumpkin seed, and the pumpkin seed grew a pumpkin sprout. And the pumpkin sprout grew a pumpkin plant. And the pumpkin plant grew a pumpkin flower. And the pumpkin flower grew a pumpkin. And the pumpkin grew and grew and grew until Jamie picked it. Then Jamie scooped out the pumpkin pulp, carved a pumpkin face, and put it in the window. But he saved 6 pumpkin seeds for planting in the spring. Thanks for listening. Please like and subscribe for more daily stories.